Hey guys, just a quick update on what's going on around here. We are harvesting again. We are on the lower section of the big field. We did finish that different hybrid field over the big Fantis. So it's day 2 now. I don't really know if we'll finish today or not, but I doubt it. But tomorrow morning for sure. That leaves us with the 2 fields back at the main farm, and that means we can close up the gates here on the carrot farm into next year. But we eventually have to come back and clean up a little bit of our mess, but that's a different story. So that means we will finish this farm, and I think tomorrow when we're done here, we will go to the main farm and pick up a little bit, at least 1 field, I guess. But we are slowly reaching the storage limit, especially with the big boxes. I think there were 117 more that there was space for in the coolers, but that number will lower until 25 maybe at the end of tomorrow, or at the end of this field. That means we have to change over to the medium-sized boxes, and then we have to use plastic. So that will be fun. So as you can see, it's raining today again. Yesterday was a nice day, but before the weekend it was raining heavily almost all the week. I believe in one day we had about 57 millimeters, and I guess combined with all the rest it was well over 100 millimeters in, let's say 5 days. I don't remember, but say 5 days. And we even heard of some people that had their basement filled with water. So, but today we can still drive, and that means only one thing, and that is that the drain tiles, they are working as we want them to. So if you saw my very first video, you noticed that we closed up the trench lines that we made last summer here. So all of the farm was drained last summer with the chain digger. So the drain lines are really fresh. They are working perfectly. So if you checked out my Instagram last week, you saw that we were harvesting our first Swedes of the season. We did that while it was raining and while we couldn't drive, and our neighbor was driving instead. But eventually we had to quit that too, because it was inhuman to stay out. It was heavy wind, heavy rain, so we quit after the first field, first 1 hectare. But in the meantime, we spent a few days in the workshop, expanding a little bit our working area. I'll try to show you a little bit. It's not a lot of daylight when I record this, so I think I need to use this one. So you haven't seen a lot inside here, but it's a mess. It's wood boxes filled with tools, bolts, parts, everything that we had from our old workshop. So we have first off, we installed these wood plates, and then we installed these steel lockers, or whatever you call it. So we will try to just open it quickly. Keep a system of things. This is chemicals, and we try to sort out every chemical that we have. Painting, grease, every multi-surface cleaner, chain sprays, every type of lubricant, primers, chain oil. So yeah, that's what we've been working on a few days. You can see there is plenty more to do. We will install these lights in the roof in the winter. Now we are working on sorting out the bolts and the spare parts and seeing what we have. We have some old John Deere filters. I think we'll have to give away or throw. So we will. But this is the worst, to sort out boxes like these ones and put them into a system like we did here. So this is every dimension you can imagine from the 90s until now. It's collected and put in small plastic boxes you see here. So it's a hell of a job, but when it's finished it will be okay. We're planning to store some of our smaller equipment inside here if you have some space remain. But first off is to expand this area so we have a little bit more space to store parts and stuff. It's a little bit small, this room, but it's better than what we have. So I also ordered some what you call it, tool tablet, workshop tablets. Yeah, 3 more to hang up a little bit of our extra tools. All right, nothing exciting other than this happening right now. At least I don't think it's that exciting because I'm been sitting in that tractor for 6 weeks now. But we are slowly reaching our target, and I think we will start on the Swedes next time. I think so. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry I didn't have anything else to show you, but this is it for this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and be sure to check out my Instagram, and you can also see some footage of the Swede harvest that we did a few days ago.